Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Precious, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make an apple cider vinegar toner to help clear out those breakouts and to also help with blemishes. Now before we get started guys, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and to also hit the notification button so that you get notified every time I post a video. With the toner, the first ingredient, the most important ingredient you are gonna need is apple cider vinegar. It should be an unfiltered apple cider vinegar, and it should say with the mother. And then the second ingredient you're gonna need is water. It can be distilled. You can buy distilled water from Discam, or you can just boil the water that you have in your house so that you kill all the bacteria in it. Okay, now that you have your ingredients, you are going to use them using the 1:3 ratio method, meaning that 1 part apple cider vinegar and 2 parts water. That will mean that if you wanna, for example, let's say you want to make 90 ml of the toner, you are going to mix 30 ml of apple cider vinegar and then you're gonna add 60 ml of water. We need to add water to apple cider vinegar in order to neutralize it so that it gets to the pH level that is suitable for the skin. If you use the apple cider vinegar on its own, it will burn your skin. It is very acidic. So here is the toner that I had already prepared. As you can see, it's about to finish. And the benefit of apple cider vinegar on your skin is that it has anti-inflammatory properties, meaning that it will reduce the size of your breakout. It has acetic acid and alpha hydroxyl acids, meaning that it exfoliates the skin, absorbs excess oil, and also unplugs your pores. It has the power to restore your skin's pH level. That is why we neutralize it with water so that it is at the appropriate pH. So what I do is that after washing my face, I go in with a cotton pad onto my face, and I also use it as a spot treatment. As you can see here, I dab it in on directly onto the breakout. After that, I'm just gonna leave it to dry out on my face and then wash it off with cold water, because cold water helps with closing up the pores that are opened by hot water. So I hope that was very helpful. Thank you guys for watching until the end. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and to also hit the notification button so that you get notified every time I post new videos. Also share my videos guys, help my channel grow. Bye.